Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike from Mike's Custom Airbrush, Iacona Studios, and we're just going to do a couple of small videos to get started, and I'm going to take you through some basic lettering. These are my samples of fonts I give customers, so I'm making a new board, so I figured I'd bring you through a couple steps and show you some basics, and yeah, we're just going to jump in the painting and get started. So some of the basic ones I use is obviously script, some block lettering. Sometimes I like a little bit of a Disney font, but I don't want to give too many choices, but I definitely want to get some variety. So yeah, let's start on this new sample board. I kind of just went ahead and lightly sketched this on here, real light, only because it's my sample board and I wanted things to be centered and stuff. But typically when I approach, whether it's a t-shirt or anything I'm doing, I usually just kind of freehand it, and then I go from there, So yeah, excuse a little bit, we're at the retail store right now, so we have a few customers coming in and out. Basically I'm writing in the styles that I'm creating. So block is blocky, scratch is a little scratchy, and so forth. Script. Probably one of my most popular lettering styles that people dig. Your basic print. I usually use this when I'm writing a lot of words. This way it's just legible. Where you're just writing a single name, you can get more creative. And then bubble is always a popular one. And go back and add a little color into these too. Box. Box is basically a section of the letter that's boxed off a little bit, hence the name. And then the last one's just a little graffiti, which is basically a stylized version of box, except we're just tweaking it a little bit with some style. Black airbrush is slowly running out of paint, and so I'm getting some skipping, but let's see if I can just get through this last font. And there's obviously a lot more lettering styles I could do, but you don't want to just do a ton. But from time to time, if I'm doing some custom stuff, I might tweak some stuff, but these are the basics I like to offer. I think it's enough of variety for people to find something they like. So yeah, this is just a quick video I wanted to throw together again. We're just getting started, so I'm going to be doing a lot more videos that maybe have some instructional, people can ask questions, different things like that. And I'm going to tighten up, obviously, with camera angles and lighting and all that good stuff. I'm just getting my feet wet, so hopefully as I grow and get a little better, you guys will follow me and kind of grow along with me. But okay, so throw a little bit of a thickness on this block letters. All right, let's throw a little color in here just to get some separation. All right, that's our block. Some drop shadowing, cool purple, some scratch, strip, little bubble. I didn't forget about print. There's the print. Let's get some colors in here. Back to some light blue. So there's still a little purple mixed in that, but that's fine. Just our sample board. And then graffiti. This lime green is pretty cool. Definitely a hot color. Just throw a quick little border on this. So yeah, there's some different lettering styles. Like I said, I'm going to do a couple more videos that shows how I approach certain things, and you know, you guys can ask me some questions, and we'll get started doing some other videos and jumping around. But yeah, pretty cool.